G'day and welcome to EFI Stand at Fespa. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21. I'm here with Frank Malozzi, Chief Revenue Officer of the company. G'day, Frank.
Great to see you, Wayne. Good to see everybody. So first of all, welcome to the booth and welcome to the stand. It's nice. It's been a couple of years since we've been able to get together physically. So
that's right, because you're a regular visitor to Australia, of course. Many print businesses down there know you, so hopefully we'll see you again before too long.
No, we'll be down there. Looking forward to making the trip.
Okay, and what's the message from EFI to the print community at this Fespa?
So obviously, you know, EFI has been really working in many segments over the last 30 years in transitioning analog to digital applications. And our message is no different this year. In fact, we're excited. We've got a number of key technologies here in the stand. We've got our new member to the roll-to-roll family, our Q3R. This technology is taking off. It's got a lot of specialty types of printing, white, clear, inline. It's got inline cutting and slitting. And quite frankly, in the Australian market, we've had a number of customers that have already invested in it. So we're starting to see that take.
And is that because of its versatility with white, clear, varnish, inline cutting?
It's, you know, the technology's been available, but we've made it a lot more productive. Okay. And so, but a real high-speed device on the roll-to-roll. Then we've got a new hybrid solution, which is our 30H. It's we've breaking sort of the $200,000 barrier globally, and we think that that's going to be a great addition to our wide format mid-range lineup. And then last but not least is our textile solution. We've got a new solution called the Terra Echo, which is got an inline binder, so you don't need all the steps to lead into printing a pigment-based solution. Really excited about that.
So kind of one journey through that process rather than multiple journeys.
That's correct, and especially now with a lot of onshoring occurring, you just physically don't have the space to go in and do that every step in the process. So we've incorporated that, and it's actually very green and very environmentally friendly. And that tied with a number of workflow solutions. We've got a new technology called Fiery Prep It. Okay. We've got a product called Impose. We've got a number of new technologies on the fiery side, so we're excited that we're able to show the market the new products.
Yeah. So. Okay, and the 30H, perhaps you can tell us a little bit more about that, who it's aimed at, what it's for, because that machine will be on show at Packprint with EFI's distributor Curry Group showing it there. Yeah. So the 30H, tell us a little bit about it, Frank.
Absolutely, we're excited. So we've been known, our whole flagship lineup has been in that mid-range hybrid space. And so what we did is we took a lot of that know-how and we moved it into more of a wide format space. So it's a 3-meter device, full-on roll-to-roll capabilities. We have rigid capabilities, white. It's a 4-color device, uses a Ricoh Gen 5 technology, and we're thrilled because our partner Curry and the Curry Group has been absolutely wonderful. They're going to show it. They're going to show it at Packprint for the first time commercially. So we're pretty excited. In fact, they received the first 3 commercially built products in Australia before we shipped to any other market. So that was a first for EFI. So we're pretty excited.
Terrific. And actually, while we're on the subject of Curry Group, they've just become an accredited distributor for your Fiery software, haven't they? Which is not, as I understand it, Fiery you can control not just the EFI products, but everything in the print plant.
Yes, they did. We made that announcement. Thrilled with their know-how. They've got a number of specialists out there in the marketplace, and as you know, EFI and the Fiery, we connect to virtually any device. But they just recently made an agreement with us, and we're happy that they're become our partner.
Okay, so fantastic. Well, it's all okay. Frank, it's so good to see you again. So
Same
good
here.
To see EFI. You know, the company continues to invest strongly in the graphic arts market, display print, corrugated print. Obviously, EFI could put its money into many places. What's its belief in that graphic arts market?
So we haven't stopped. What we're trying to do is we're trying to really give our customers the ability to enhance throughput, which is just not rated speeds. So I can't really share the details, but behind closed doors we have a private demonstration in our super high speed category. So very high speed technology, and we're doing live demonstration behind the curtain from New Hampshire. And then we've also announced at this show that one of our partners placed a second Nozomi, but a Nozomi designed for the display graphics market. We recently commercialized it, called the Nozomi 18,000 Plus, and that is it's the single pass platform is really been well received in the market, and customers are coming back looking for more capacity.
So that's the Nozomi that was originally designed, or still is designed, for the packaging market.
Correct.
But you've also now got the display graphics market. Is that for high volume printers, or who would buy that?
High volume printers have a different type of materials, so we can do on a traditional plastics, paper, cardstock, cardboard, corrugated. We've got the full lot available for that product. So we refined it in a way that the display market they have an opportunity to place it and use it and offer the output. So.
Well, Frank, plenty going on as always from EFI.
A lot.
I mean, you've got 50 or 60 products in your range there in your portfolio, which is huge. Thanks so much for taking the time to talk to us on Print 21 and all the readers and listeners in Australia and New Zealand. And it's good now. It's goodbye from me.
Thank you, and it's great to be back in business. So great seeing you as well.
Yeah,
Thanks,
okay.
Wayne. Pleasure.
All right, that's great stuff. Thanks very much, Frank. This is Wayne Robinson, Print 21, signing off.
Fantastic.